Welcome back, everybody. So these are quick steps to making avocado oil. The first step is I scrape off the back of the avocado and remove the seed, and I get the meat and begin to mash it up. You can use a stick blender or you can use the normal blender, but I just use the wooden spoon to mash it up. Once you mash it up, put it into an aluminium bowl. After that, put a pot of water on the fire, bring it to boil. Once you bring it to boil, turn it down. This method is called the double boiler method. So you put the mashed up avocado, which is already in the pan, put it inside the water that is boiling. It is a slower process, but you are sure to get all the nutrients of the avocado oil, of the avocado into the oil. But what I do is I add sunflower oil. You can add any oil of your choice so that I can get more oil. I added that sunflower oil into the mashed avocado. But because I didn't want to wait too long, I turned out the mashed avocado directly into the pot and began to stir it. I put it on the lowest heat. Please be sure that it is the lowest heat. If not, the avocado you will get over fried and you will miss all the essence and nutrients in the avocado. Begin to stir it. Once you observe that it is bubbling, begin to stir. As soon as the avocado paste turns brown, your avocado oil is ready. You pour it into a cheesecloth. There's a bowl underneath. Begin to squeeze it as much as possible. Ensure that you are squeezing only when it is cold because it will burn your fingers. Squeeze it out as much as possible. Squeeze as much as possible, and you have your avocado oil. Perfect. You can try yours and please let me know how it works out. Thank you very much, and I hope you found this useful. Bye, guys.